Good afternoon. Apologies, I've been a bit quiet, but I've just been gently working away at the van. Got this bit of storage done behind the passenger seats here, and I'm going to do buffalo board down the side here, just to sheet that off. And that's my Julka. It's basically the sink and the shower heater and all. Julka toilet underneath. I've started the construction around the bed, so I'm just building around the stuff. I'm going to have like a lift up hinged top on it so I can lift this stuff out. I've got the gas storage, I've got it at the back there, I've got it vented out the back, out the bottom. Fridge, I've got it encased in. It's just a matter of sort of building this up now, buffalo board, get cupboards, get them lined, and yeah, if I get this done, I'm really going to see the end of this project. I've got these lights up as well. I decided to put them in the L shape. To have this one here, you can shine down onto the fridge to see it, though there is a light in the fridge, but I've got 3 down the side and then 1 at the top here. So that's basically it. I'm going to actually move the ladder. With building the bed around, the ladder's not going to fit, so I'm actually going to store the ladder up on top of the storage here and clamp it in. It's used that bit of space up there too, so the ladder's going to go up in there, and that's to get up into the tent box. So hopefully this all goes to plan. I'm going to get a friend, Paul, who's a joiner. I've done no joinery. I did the joinery in the old van, but it's not perfect, and yeah, I'm going to get him to help me because he has all the machinery and all to cut the buffalo or hex ply. If you ever follow Jammy Gits, you'll see they use it and it looks really sweet in their interior furniture. So that is, I'm going to call it a day now. I think I've done enough. Yeah, so like, follow, and I shall chat to you soon. Thanks for following. Bye bye.